How to fix sound still comes from speaker even though headphone is connected. So if you want to fix sound still comes from the speaker even though the headphone is connected, then what you need to do is you need to clean the headphone jack. So there is a headphone jack on the bottom or on the down side of your device. So what you have to do is use a small toothpick or cotton buds, and you have to clean the inside of that headphone jack. There might be dirt which is collected inside the headphone jack, due to which there might be some problems in the connection. So remove all the dirt and check if the issue still persists. The next thing you can do is you can update your device software. There might be a bug in the software which is causing the issue. So what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the settings option. Once you open the settings application, you need to scroll down and you just need to simply go with an option of system update. Tap on it and you just need to simply go with the system update if you have any updates under your system or your software. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing is to factory reset your device. But before that, you have to back up your Android device. Once you've backed up, what you can do is just go with the settings again, open up your settings application and go with search. Under search, you can go with reset, and here you will have erase all data, factory reset. Tap on it and go with erase all data. Scroll down and then go with erase all data, which is on the bottom right, and it will erase all of the data that you have on your device and your problem might be fixed. But this is the last option if any of the options doesn't work. And once you do the factory reset, then all of the things that on your device present will be deleted. So make sure to back up your device, and after that you can go with factory reset. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.